This video tutorial I will explain how to set up single node replica set in Mongo database. Here you can see the primary server and here you can see the two secondary servers. The primary server data is replicated to two secondary servers. The process of replicating data from primary server to secondary server is called replication, and client application always talk to primary server for read and write operations. Mongo database achieves replication by the use of replica set. A replica set is a group of MongoDB instances that host the same data set. In replica, one node is a primary node that receives all write operations, and all other instances such as secondaries apply operation from the primary, so that the secondaries can have the same data set, and replica set can have only one primary node. We can do single node replica set or multi-node replica set. In single node replica set, only primary server will be there. In case of multi-node replica set, primary server along with that secondary servers also will be there. This is three nodes replica set. Primary and two secondary servers are there. Now we will see how to set up single node replica set. To set up replica set, we have to use this command MongoDB --repl set, then replica set name. Replica set name I have given as Peter replica set, then DB path. Server has been started, and here you can see repl set is Peter replica set, and storage is this DB path. Next I am connecting the Mongo shell, and using rs.status we can check the replica set configuration, and it is telling we have to run rs.initiate so that replica set configuration will be set up, and no replica set config has been received. So what we have to do is we have to run this rs.initiate to set up the replica set. I am executing rs.initiate command, and it executed successfully, and now you can see Peter replica set : other. Now if you go and see the server, here you can see before that the MongoDB instance was standalone server. Now it has been changed to replica set. Here you can see transition to primary complete. Database writes are now permitted, and when we execute rs.initiate, lot of background work has been done. Here you can see. Now if we check the rs.status, and it is giving more information. The replica set name is Peter replica set when it was created, and heartbeat interval in milliseconds, and how many members are there. Currently it is single node replica set, so only primary server is there. This is a primary server, and state string is primary. So all those information it is showing. So we have successfully set up the single node replica set. I have opened Studio 3T for MongoDB and connect. Here you can see the standalone MongoDB server is converted to replica set, and here you can see replica set members, and in that only one node is there, which is a primary node, because we have done Single Node Replica Set. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.